So welcome this week. Here's a little song of the week this week. This is how to play an easy keyboard part to the song Beautiful Things by Benson Boone, which is really making waves in the charts at the moment. So this video might be a bit tricky for some of you. The chords are a little bit more advanced, but again, follow me, follow the shapes I put on the screen, and we're going to use 4 simple patterns. So we're going to play in the right hand first, E flat major. We're going to transition this to B flat major in root position. We're then going to play F major and G minor in root position. So those 4 chords are moving down. So get yourself comfortable, use this video, pause it, just getting used to those 4 shapes. And we're going to move those shapes around and play our pattern. Now the pattern repeats these 4 chords, except the second time round we only play F, we don't go to the G minor. So have a listen to this and watch what my left hand does as well, playing those root notes. So we're going to play E flat major, B flat major, F major, G minor. Second time E flat, B flat, stay on the F. So make sure at this point, pause the video, really practice those chord shapes with the pictures I've got, and when you're ready, we can play along to the track together.
For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away.